Okay, so here I have marked the weekly areas over here, and let's just move to. So this is daily. So let's just go and look at the weekly now. So now the weekly is reversing back and going all the way up to fill its wick again, right? So now let's just switch to daily. So by looking at the daily, it still looks confusing right now. So yesterday's candle was just like the day before yesterday's candle. It was just a rejection candle over here, but there is a problem. Resistance is very near, and and this is not a support or not a resistance at this point of time. So really, the time frame is confusing right now, the daily. But I'm gonna mark the daily levels just for the, you know. So this is the daily low, and this is the daily high. Okay, so this is the daily high and this is the daily low. Right now the market hasn't broke above the high or the low right now, so it's just in the consolidation state for daily. From past week, I have observed the market has given more opportunity on mid-London session. Okay, you mean mid-London session after the London market open or before the London market open? I think after. London market will be opening in okay, it will be open at 1:30. Oh, 3 p.m. Okay. Let's see, because the way the market is moving, I really don't expect the market to move much in the last few days. So let's see. So over here, the 4 hour, if we talk about the 4 hour analysis over here, then the market came down. It rejected this area, like the same area earlier, and now it went up, and it has now created a support. So this candle, 4 hour candle, broke above the high of the this 4 hour candle, and now the current 4 hour candle has also moved up, but it rejected the higher prices over here. Now this 4 hour candle will be closing in 4 minutes, and this will be a weak closing of this 4 hour. So this is a support in the 4 hour, and let's see if the next candle wicks up, break the low, or continues to fill the wick and finally reach this area. So the range is about 14 pips. The range is not good according to the 4 hour. Let's go to 1 hour, but before that, let's just draw the 4 hour high and low. This is the high of the 4 hour, this is the low of the 4 hour. I have habit to note time when I take paper trade too on my journal, so I can say it gave pretty good opportunity. I don't know about today it will give or not. Oh, that's really nice. So I'm also gonna look at that 3 to 4 p.m. of time today, because if that's something you noticed, then I also believe that, because you know it's really a good habit to note the times of the moves, so it makes really easy for you to trade. Sorry. Okay, so over here 1 hour candle will also be closing in 2 minutes, like, but the thing is it will be closing like a weak bullish or a weak bearish candle. I'm gonna update the oh yeah, Saranj just got cold. Okay, so now if we look at the 1 hour, then 1 hour doesn't look good to me right now, because the way this candle will be closing, it really doesn't look. Thank you, Saranj. I will, buddy. Because of the change in weather, I just get cold. So over here in 1 hour, which is about to close in few seconds, what can be the next possible move? Look, this move which came down is just a retracement, and this candle going down below is a liquidity grab. So I'm in buys for GJ right now, because I really think that it will be going up to test this high over here. But the way it just closed, I really not sure about that. So this is the 45 minutes, which is having 15 minutes left to close right now. And if I look at the 30-minute time frame is really strange. Rejection is there, resistance forming is there, a little bit fake out is there. And the range is also not there. EuroCAD is coming down. So let's see where we can execute buys or sells in GBP. So there is no range over here, there's no range over here as well. There is a range above this point, but lot of wicks, lot of wicks. Oh, there is no range as well over here. Okay, so now it's decided that proper range is above this area in GBP. So I'm gonna wait for the market to break and close above 154.128 to execute buys. Because the thing is, firstly I was about to look over here that it might give me some opportunity in this area, but the thing is there is no range, only 5 pips. Then I looked over here in this clean range area. There is a problem with my okay. So then I looked at this area over here, but there is also no range at this point. It's only 4 or 5 pips. And above this area, look, there is no range, only 9.4 pips. So there is no point of taking trades in between these areas. So let's just wait for the market to break above 154.182, because we have an extremely good range over here. Let me just stretch this out. Okay, we have extremely good range above this area, and the range is about 20 pips. So I think I can expect good movement in this area. So this is the buy idea, okay? And let's just discuss the sell idea. The market is just really garbage over here in GBP, because the pip value right now is really low of GBP JPY because of these choppy movements. So let's hope that it will recover soon. If we talk about 1 hour, then I think I can trade this area in the 1 hour, but there's a problem in 45 minutes. Then we have a problem in 30 minutes. Okay, I'll see about the sells. Then we have this area over here. Range is 14 pips. Not much, but not bad also. And in 45 minutes, that range becomes 21 pips. In 30 minutes, no opportunity. Yeah, nothing. So what I'm thinking is the best range for GBP can be below this area. Below this area, 153.127, there will be a clean sells. Yeah. So for me, right now, these are the two levels, and this is just a garbage area for me in GBP. $22, $230, $130, $230.